Hello, I'd like to welcome you to our studio chef. Big thanks for follow our tasty salad class today. Let's make our Greek salad. We need feta cheese, oregano, tasty and colorful tomato. This is cut big chilies, cucumber, tomato, we're making the sauce, salt, mustard, pepper, red wine vinegar, mix well, add olive oil, chopped parsley, shallots, garlic, cucumber, cut bell pepper or big chili, olives, red onion, tomato cubes, mix well, add in the feta cheese, add oregano, fresh salad leaf and arrange in a cold salad plate. Apply spring onion, feta cheese, more oregano and top with a little bit of top olive oil. So healthy! Cooking is fun. Keep in touch and we're looking forward to see you again on this channel.